Now we're going to do a water lily. This is going to be a nice, easy one to get done, and I think you're going to really enjoy this. What we're going to do is we're going to start with this regular piece of paper here. On the back side, well, here, let's do it with the front side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and fold this guy over like so. I'm going to crease it here. I'm just going to go ahead and fold it down as well. There we go. Ooh, a little bender there. All right, and open it up. Now I've got this nice cross section here, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and fold our points into it like so on all pages. Like this, we want to make sure that we get all of our points nice and together, like so. We'll do our last one here. All right, and finish with this part.